Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony headphones to your PlayStation 4. First, ensure your Sony headphones are fully charged and in pairing mode. Then, on your PlayStation 4, navigate to the Settings menu. From there, select the Devices option. Finally, choose Bluetooth devices to begin the connection process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth pairing experience. Once you are in the Bluetooth devices menu, your PlayStation 4 will scan for available devices. Wait for your Sony headphones to appear on the list, which usually takes only a few seconds. Select your headphones from the displayed options and confirm the pairing request. The system will then establish the connection, which typically takes about 5 to 10 seconds. After successful pairing, you will need to adjust the audio output settings. Return to the Devices menu and select Audio Devices. Here, ensure that output to headphones is set to all audio for a complete sound experience. You can then adjust the volume level using the on-screen slider to your preferred setting. Test the audio to confirm everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, ensure both your Sony headphones and PlayStation 4 are fully charged. If problems persist, try restarting both devices. Also, make sure no other Bluetooth devices are actively trying to connect, as this can cause interference. Finally, always keep your PlayStation 4 system software updated to the latest version for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.